This is the 52-inch Hunter channel side bladed like ceiling fan.
What are some of the features of this fan?
The features of this fan are the blades are like on the channel side. The Hunter logo is the same as it. The canopy and the stick are definitely the same.
What do you like about this fan?
The blades look exactly like the channel side. They have little nuts. The dome is able to come off. And the blades are wood, I believe.
And what don't you like about this fan?
Really nothing.
So would you do anything to improve it?
No.